So friend, my last previous video very long and you can see my last previous video. A lot of I'm already created paragraph and headlines and other. You can see just your color and the character of system. I'm already created part 1 and part 2 home awesome Microsoft Word related and a lot of exercise and a lot of showing options related. So how much type options using start and what is happen you are start and because these first and second and third video in we are check and using and how using your options with using a paragraph and enter any changing word and formatting anything. So watch my first previous video and after start this third video. Okay, so this is a third video home options. Okay, so let's start and continue this video. So first understand my first and second video, either you cannot understand this my third video. Okay, so let's start and continue this video. So sometime people not completely watching reading, so this type okay. So this is a paragraph I'm showing here. I'm showing again control C and press again this enter and write this again. Okay, and again you can see just here second page here. Okay, this is my first page here and second page showing here. This is the second page. Okay, so you enter and automatically create a second page, third page and fourth page. Okay, so I'm complete these. Okay, next options is you can see just here theme color. So what is the theme color? Your two type color available here. You can see just a letter background side color. Okay, letter background side color. Okay, or anything your paragraph select. And second is theme color. Okay, theme color means one type of everything, your line to line everything, but letter type only letter background side. Okay, is selected. Okay, I'm select this. Okay, and theme you can see just here, not showing here. Okay, but I'm clear to no color. First understand the select here and no color, and I want to enter theme and enter this. Okay, theme color you can see just here. I am select black color, so automatically white showing these letters. You can see just here. So that is the theme color, the theme system. Okay, so some company created theme because some paragraph very important for and some created article and some employee created special to input on messages and extra creative and background side create theme, but I am just showing only for you. What is to A to Z? This is the arrange of current selection in the alphabetic and numerical order. This is especially useful you are trying to organize data in a table. So you can see just I'm select here and click on here. You can see just the paragraph sort by you want and type text. Okay, and accelerating and decreasing. You click on OK. You can see just this is a one type of paragraph showing everything data here. Okay, and again I'm click on this system and decreasing and you can see just here again this type. Okay, so lot of people you will not understand and paragraph setting up, and this automatically very good and verifying system. You can use save your time. So this is one type of exceeding. You can say just a changing paragraph, but decreasing the but decreasing this system. You can see just here. Okay. So this type of paragraph very fast and create your paragraph system. Again, I'm selecting on next option. You can see just here these borders. Add a border. Okay, add border or remove border from your selection. So I want enter border my selection, left side, right side, and everything side. You can see just this is a border create. So where is border? Lot of system using. Basically newspaper, some algorithm, some visual characters, some visual creator, different type of system I'm into this. Okay, so first how border add, select your paragraph and select your border. Okay, I'm select all border type. You can see just this type border showing me here. Okay, next is you can see just here these show and hide some show paragraph marks with other hidden formatting symbol. This is easily useful for advanced layout task. Some I'm just showing just like deals and select here and hide this. Okay, so you can add and hide these type of some piece of data. I will discuss these option not now showing here. Okay, and how this is the systems. So I will discuss some insert system time. Okay, how insert and reference type. Okay, I will discuss these options. Okay, next is the style. What is a style? Style means your paragraph styles. First I am select and remove all border. Okay, I am remove all border. You can see just origin draw view guidelines border inserting no borders. Okay, no border. And you can see this is a new type of system of your and heading. So what is a heading? Heading is one type of your system your own paragraph. Okay, so this is a heading paragraph. You can see just this is a heading, different type heading. Enter your in your document. So I'm enter this heading. Okay, and you can see just this is a heading. So this my paragraph heading. You can see just this is okay. So this is the heading of my computer. You can see just here. Okay, and you can see just here this is a heading, but you can change and more to other type. You can see just this is I'm select this type and other type enter this paragraph. Okay, Sam. So what different between these, because this is only heading system and this is a paragraph system. Okay, so different. This is important for this heading related some very important for next. I will show you in bookmark. Okay, options. So this is one type of heading is give some information related of paragraph. Say I can create a heading this system. Okay, but I will discuss and, uh, now this time. You can see I'm in the heading 2 type for this system. Okay, so this is the second type for heading 2. I can enter this heading again. So this is a 1 and 2 is my heading. Okay, and other you can see just this is a one type of paragraph. So what difference between us same? So this is only paragraph and this is main is a heading. Okay, so you all understand. Next is about a find. Okay, so find inside you can see just this is a lot of how you want option find. You want some letters and other. Find. What is a find? Find is one type of your word, just like you. Okay, so no matches means nothing showing here. I am find this word, okay, of company. So why this find option upon because some word you are using is like company. This word showing my in system. Okay, so this is every side company name, com company word showing every my page is showing in highlight here. Okay, see just here company. Okay, you enter your company employee name, you are enter, you find everything, your paragraph showing you 5 paragraph inside this showing me this word. Okay, so this find advance. What is find advance? Find advance very good option for your system in your official Microsoft Word. So we have 3 options. Find just like I'm just like this, but replace what is I'm enter this company. Okay, this name company. Find everything you can see just here showing me company. Find nest everything showing company name. Okay, and after finds complete showing me this type finish. Okay, but company name change automatically other name just like company name change. Yes. Okay, yes type give word either enter Apple company in this type name. So replace, yes, replace all means every side, every document in this word. So automatically replace and change, give new name Apple company. So replace all, and you can click on, you can see just here this Microsoft Word Office software find this type company name 5 replacement means 5 times add in this paragraph company name. So I want to replace every side, so click on yes. So you can see just here the changing every side Apple company. You can see just Apple company. Okay, this is Apple company showing me here. Okay, this you can see just here. Second we watched in this. Okay, this you can see just here. So you can see here just here. So this is Apple company and everything side you can see just here. Go to, what is a go to? Go to means you line your book, your sections, your comment. So I want to go to second page, so enter and go to second page. Okay, automatically. So this is my second page. Okay, this is the first page, this is my first page, and this is my second page. Okay, so this is the second page, but company document very lot of page, maybe possible 55 pages, 85 pages, 95 pages, and exactly you want go into number page 25. So control press and press G. This is a shortcut key. Press control button and press G. It is showing directly this advanced find page, and enter your page number. Okay, and go to, click on go to. So this is replace. I am already showing you. Okay, name changing here. Okay, third is select. You select all. This means select everything. You want to select objects, you can select objects. You want to select enter select text with similar formatting. So similar formatting showing here. Okay, So this is a completely select related this object. You want to select object, this select object, you want to select everything. So press Ctrl and A. Okay, this button, press Ctrl button and press with A. Okay, so select everything, and I want everything bold, enter bold. Okay, I want to change everything color red, so everything changing because we all select everything. I want to change black color and not need for black, so you can change here this type. And I want to make my last previous formatting, so click on undo. Okay, this is undo and this is a redo. Okay, last my create is some vessel to changing characters, everything. So this is a undo and redo. So complete this my tutorial, and I am saving here. I am save this. Click on bell. Enter this icon. Okay, and save shortcut key. Control press and press with S button. It is directly save automatically. Not need for again enter on this Control S button. Okay, so this is completely home option complete here. Okay, and I'm showing you paste. What is a paste? Because I am copy this my character. Okay, this is a select and right click and copy. Okay, and I want again this same paragraph, so click on paste here, and shortcut key is a Control V. Okay, so first select and you want to copy, so press Control C button, you line copy, and you want to paste, enter button and Control V, same to same. You want to press on any time you want to, every time you can paste, copy paste this line. Okay, so this is one type of showing your document, copy and paste. This is and format printer. So click select, and you want to cut means cut this line. Okay, so I'm cut this line. Okay, but you are you can see just this is my cell here. Okay, this is blink is one type of text cell in Control V. So again showing here, I want this paragraph, so click on cut. How cut? Shortcut key Control X button press. Okay, Control X button press. So this is a cut, and again I'm enter button, and this is showing Control V. So first is changing and showing here. Okay, so everything I'm completely teach you home options, and next time I'm completely showing next video in insert. Okay, and showing one by one. Okay, so this is my complete my first option in Microsoft Word. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, click on like button, and you want any ask anything, something for related question, so click or comment me. Okay, and very good for your knowledge. Again video watch, maybe you not understand my videos, so again watch my video. So this is a one type of showing you everything options on your Microsoft Word. So next time I will show you insert options. What is the insert option? Insert different ways, and this is a advanced options, very good, and very good with your document every side. Okay, so next time I'm continue these Microsoft related your document. So thanks for watching my video, and next time I'm continue this insert option. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.